Most people think all VPNs are the same, but the surprising truth is that privacy, speed, and security vary widely. Today, I'm sharing an honest review of Mullvad VPN, a service that has built a reputation for anonymity and reliability. Mullvad VPN is a privacy-focused service that doesn't require an email to sign up. Most people get this wrong by assuming you have to provide personal information. Instead, you receive a random account number and pay anonymously, which maximizes privacy. The app is simple. You install it on your device, select a server location, and connect. You won't believe what happens next once connected. Your IP is masked, your traffic encrypted, and you can browse freely without trackers monitoring your activity. Mullvad also supports WireGuard and OpenVPN protocols for secure, fast connections. Speed is surprisingly good, even on distant servers, and security is robust with no logs kept. The surprising truth is that Mullvad is one of the few VPNs audited for privacy, giving users real confidence that their data is protected. The only downside is that the interface may feel basic for beginners, and pricing is flat rather than feature-tiered. But if privacy and transparency matter most, this is a major plus. If you want a secure, private, and reliable VPN, Mullvad is definitely worth using. Subscribe for more honest VPN reviews before you choose your service.